Hi Fishers residents, today I will be showing you how to make a sensory bottle to have at home. So when making your own sensory bottle, some of the supplies you're going to need is a clear bottle with a lid that screws on and off. You're going to need some things to fill your bottle then. So I have some seashells, I have some erasers, some beads, and some glitter. You will also need to have a cup of water. Make sure you have an adult to help you with that. And I also have a roll of tape to be able to tape the lid on top of here. You can also glue it if you'd like. If you signed up for our giveaway with this, you should have all these supplies in your kit. So first what you're gonna wanna do is take the lid off of your bottle and go ahead and set the lid off to the side. Next, I went ahead and you're gonna need 30 different colored beads. So I chose just a variety of colors, any colors you like. Again though, if you signed up for the kit, you're gonna have some beads already in there for you. So very carefully go ahead and you can either pour them in, you can dump them in, however is easiest. Next, you're gonna wanna take, I chose about 7 erasers. They're just cute little penguins. So you can see there's snowflakes. I've got some penguins. And you're going to go ahead and put those in as well. Next, you are going to take about 20 the seashells and put those into your bottle as well. And then just a little bit of glitter. If you signed up for the kit, it'll already be pre-measured out for you. Make sure you have an adult help you with this to make sure that you don't spill it everywhere and that you're not finding glitter all over the house for a while. And then the most fun part, you can also fill these up as high as you want with things no more than probably about halfway, because you want them to be able to really roll around and be able to see everything. So it's very important that you have an adult help you. Have a glass of water and go ahead and pour it into your bottle very carefully. So you're gonna wanna fill it up pretty high and then make sure your lid gets screwed back on and make sure it's pretty tight on there. And finally, you're gonna take a little bit of tape. And parents, if you'd like to glue on here as well, you can do that as well. Just make sure that you unscrew your lid and you go ahead and put it on the inside and make sure you allow it to dry before your kiddo starts playing with it too much. So I like to put a little bit of tape on here just to make sure it's not going anywhere. Again, you don't have to, you can always glue it or you can just leave it without as well. So you can put a couple rounds on there and then you have your very own sensory bottle to play with at home.